We'll just get there. Damn these people.
Hey, Roman. Koji je steroid tip?
Brucey! Have you met my cousin, Nico? This is Brucey. We met online.
Oh, lovemeet.net?
Ha!
No.
Ha.
In a dark corner, doing dark deeds. We're both players, my friend. Players. VIP. For real. Classy. But also sexy. That's how I like my women. I work at it, so they should too, right?
Yeah.
What is he talking about?
Brucey's a dreamer. He understands my vision.
Oh, so he's an idiot.
Hey!
Screw you. Listen, man. You should try going online.
I know how to go on the line. I just haven't done it here.
Of course. Technophobe. Luddite. We gotta get you online. It's a world of opportunities.
Such as?
All kinds of things. Yesterday, I was online, and I discovered a blog about women who don't like to shave. That's pretty important. Listen, I promised Brucey I'd go out with him. Can you go out and get it sorted? Okay. Go to Twat and register on one of the PCs there. A pretty girl is expecting you. I'm bored of not being able to email your cousin, and the family keeps sending me news for you. Brucey,
Yeah!
stop exercising.
Okay. Let's put some bitches to the sword. VIP style, come on!
He's a cool guy. Ровно-то много. Да добьем преко интернета. Мислиш, да съм луд?
The reality show that finally judges women purely on their true merits. The Liberty Tree says this proves feminism in a different century.
Nobody's a better home than me. All you hookers is dead.
America's next top hooker. Coming soon to CNT. Can reality TV ever get any better?
Hey there. My name's Nico. My cousin, he told me to come here.
Roman, he called me about you. He's so funny. I set you up on that computer already. It's easy. Just follow the instructions on there, okay? I see you again, Roman's
Most desirable target in the country. Watch out, people. Outside a methadone clinic in Port Tudor.
I have set up the email account. I am now online in Liberty City, Roman.
Nice one, cousin. Did you meet the girl who works there? Nice pair of titties on her, no? Later on.
Look at the way